And with Hurricane Dorian already a Category 3 hurricane, Floridians are preparing. Consumers Energy is sending crews to Florida to help. They'll help with the likely power outages and damage. 13 on your side's Nina DeSaro spoke with a utility company about their plans to help our families and friends in Florida.
With Hurricane Dorian expected to make landfall as a Category 4 hurricane, Consumers Energy is sending out trucks just like this one, along with 60 of its employees down to Florida to help Florida Power and Light restore power after the storm.
And they could be in Florida for up to 3 weeks.
Consumers crews
This is what we do.
are headed down south.
They're allowed by law to work up to 16-hour days, and there will most definitely be some 16-hour days in our hurricane restorations.
This isn't the first time Consumers Energy has helped other states hit by natural disasters.
We've done this before. We're getting our plans together right now, but we are more than happy to help because we know that our fellow men and women from other utilities have come and helped us when we need the assistance.
Along with the trucks, equipment, and manpower, the company is also sending a fuel truck because in the wake of a hurricane, gas can be a difficult find.
We were very fortunate in July when we had a pretty big storm here. We had crews from 6 different states help us restore power to over almost 250,000 customers. So now it's our turn to return the favor and help them in their time of need.
These trucks and the crews are leaving on Saturday, and they're expected to arrive in Florida by Monday. In Norton Shores, I'm Nina DeSaro, 13 on your side.